So function notation, it's not very difficult. All it is basically telling you the letter on front tells you which equation to plug it into. So F matches up with this F equation, G matches up with the G equation, H with the H equation, and so on. So you can see in example 1 here, F of 2, all we did is we plugged the 2 in here for the x, and we did 2 squared. If we do exponents first, the rest of it's order of operations. And you're only working on the right-hand side of the equation. So 2 squared is 4. There's the 4. And then we did multiply and divide. 5 times 4 is 20. And then we did 20 minus 4 is 16. So my final answer, F of 2 equals 16. So you want to have that in your answer. Let's try another example. Let's try number 6 here, G of 3. So that means in the G equation, that's right here, I'm going to plug in 3 in for the x. See the difference? See how the G is the same, but just the 3 is in place of the x? So we're going to put the 3 in place of that x right there. So 2 times 3 minus 9. And see how you don't even really have to write it out. You can almost do that in your head. What's 2 times 3? Yup, minus 9. 6 minus 3, or 6 minus 9 is negative 3. So we're going to write our final answer, G of 3 equals negative 3. So see how we're just working the right-hand side, and the left-hand side just stays the label. One more time, let's do the H. Let's do this one in our head a little bit more. H of 1, so we're going to plug 1 in here. What's negative 1 plus 1? Easy enough, 0. H of 1 equals 0. Let's try a harder one. M, negative 2. Plug in negative 2 here. So we got negative 2 to the third power means negative 2 cubed. That'd be negative 8. So we get negative 2 times negative 8, which is 16. So M of negative 2 is 16.